Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of CAD JPY, Canadian dollar, Japanese yen for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold USD, GBP JPY, USD JPY and many more. So let's get started. So this is the Forex chart of CAD JPY in front of us right now, and as you can see that I have already drawn the Fibonacci levels here because see, we all know it very well that CAD JPY was extremely bullish last week and so this week and it broke almost all the resistance level, and this is a very strong uptrend market. And whenever we get a market condition like this, whenever see such kind of bullishness in the market like this, then the only trading opportunity for a trader is to buy at retracement. Because see, generally we traders think that market has reached the top, we should short the market. Market has reached the bottom, we should go for buy. Because we just assume that market has reached the top and we just short the market, and as a result we retail traders lose money. Because see, there is $1 million buying going on in the chart, in the, for example, CAD JPY, USD JPY, and we are shorting the market with our $100, $500, $1,000. See, we traders cannot make money if we start thinking that we have the power to predict the market. Okay, if you want to earn money from the market, then the only way to earn money is to follow the footprints of the big traders. Right now the big traders, the big boys, the big players are buying on CAD JPY. As a result, you'll also have to follow the footprints and you'll also have to look for buying position only. So CAD JPY is extremely bullish right now. So if you short the market, there is a possibility of losing the money again. So in the chart of CAD JPY right now, I see two safe trading opportunities. Okay, so if you have been trading for last couple of years, you're an experienced trader, you can avoid my analysis and you can just trade on your own. But on the other hand, if you're a beginner, you're new to trading, you're still learning, then yes, I think that my analysis can be helpful to you and you can follow the follow my suggestions. That's it. Okay, so first trading opportunity that I see on the CAD JPY chart is 90.90 level. Yes, this level. Why this level? Because see, we all know it very well that market always goes up in a pattern like this. Okay, so in case there is a retracement on the CAD JPY chart on Monday, Tuesday, there is a possibility that market will be bouncing from the 90.90 level, being the 23.6% Fibonacci level. Why? Because see, market will get tired, and in case market retraces, then obviously this will be the next support for the market and good point to go for buy if market bounces. So if market bounces from here, obviously we can go for buy, and this is our first trading opportunity. Clear? The second trading opportunity is, you can see that I have also made a bullish flag here, and see, in a market condition like this, whenever there is a retracement, okay, we need to wait for the perfect moment, we need to wait for the perfect opportunity. So instead of coming down, okay, listen to me carefully, instead of coming down to the Fibonacci level here, if market breaks the level, okay, if market breaks the level or breaks the line at the top, this line, okay, you can also draw a flag like this. If market breaks the line at the top, then also we can go for buy here. Because see, market is so bullish right now that yes, we do have a possibility of market going up again. Instead of coming down to the Fibonacci level, there is a possibility of market going up again. So if market breaks the level, breaks the line at the top, you can enter again, and that is your second trading opportunity on CAD JPY chart. And see, this is the CAD JPY, Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. And as we all know, crude oil is a huge part, big part of Canadian economy. And generally we see whenever the price of crude oil goes up, we see Canadian dollar going up. And right now, due to the ongoing coal coal crisis in the world, there is a huge demand for crude oil right now. Crude oil is extremely bullish right now. Let me show you. See, this is the chart of crude oil, and you can see that the chart of crude oil is very much similar to the chart of CAD JPY. And as I just said, there is a huge demand for crude oil going on right now in the whole world, and as a result, Canadian dollar is also going up. And in the market scenario, okay, there is a good possibility that crude oil will be going up and Canadian dollar will also be going up. So market may not come down for retracement, but instead of it will break the level and going up. So keep in mind, you need to draw 90.90 level on the chart of CAD JPY, plus draw a flag like this and just wait for the market to break the line at the top. And if it breaks, go for buy order. Okay, and considering the trend of the market, considering our following, respecting the trend of the market, we will not go for any selling opportunities as of now, because trend is our friend, trend is our best friend. So hopefully I've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Bye bye, take care, see ya on Monday.